In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a bar chart in Canva. First, open your web browser and head over to canva.com. If you're not already signed in, log in so your work is saved as you go. Once you're in, choose whether you want to start a new design or open an existing canvas. A new design is great if you want a fresh layout. An existing canvas is perfect if you're adding a chart to a project you've already started. Pick a size or template that suits where your chart will be used, like a presentation slide or a social post. Now let's insert the bar chart. Look at the left sidebar and click Elements. Scroll down until you find the Charts section. Click See All Charts, then locate the bar chart option. Click the bar chart and it will drop right onto your canvas. If your canvas already has content, don't worry. You can move and resize the chart later. Next, we'll edit the chart data. Click directly on the bar chart to select it, then choose Edit Data. A small data table will appear. Enter your labels in one column, these are your categories, and type your numbers in the corresponding cells. If you have multiple series, place each one in a separate column. As you type, the chart updates automatically, so you can immediately see how your data looks. If there's placeholder data, feel free to clear it out before adding your own. With the data in place, customize the chart to match your design. Make sure the chart is selected, then adjust the colors to fit your brand or theme. Pick contrasting colors so bars and text are easy to read. Update the fonts for labels and the legend to keep everything consistent with the rest of your design. You can resize the chart by dragging its corners. Hold Shift if you want to maintain proportions. Aim for a size that keeps labels legible without overwhelming the page. Position the chart where it works best in your layout by clicking and dragging it on the canvas. Add any supporting text, icons, or a clear title to provide context, like what the data represents and the time period. Use Canva's alignment guides to center elements and maintain clean spacing. When you're ready to save, click Share in the top right corner, then choose Download. Pick your preferred format, PNG or JPG for images, or PDF if you need a document version. Finally, click Download, and your bar chart is ready to share, present, or print. That's it. You've created a polished bar chart in Canva from start to finish. Start.